Hey there, welcome to today's video, where we are going to dive into a common problem that some people face when setting up a web server with a static IP address provided by their ISP. The problem arises when the IP address shown on what is your IP sites differs from the static IP assigned by the ISP. It can be quite confusing, right? Now, let's talk about the solution to this issue. The key point to remember is that for incoming connections, the actual address that the client wants to connect to is used. So, even though the IP shown may be different, the connection to the web server is still established using the static IP provided by the ISP. It's worth noting that this situation where a different IP is displayed could be due to incomplete configuration on the ISP's end or how their network is managed. For instance, your ISP might have forgotten to bypass their NAT gateway, resulting in your packets being needlessly NAT, even though you have a dedicated public IP. It's always good to double-check with your ISP to ensure everything is properly set up. In summary, while it may seem strange for the IP displayed to differ from your static IP, rest assured that your web server is indeed using the correct static IP for incoming connections. If you're still unsure, it's best to reach out to your ISP for clarification. And with that, we've come to the end of today's video. Remember to subscribe, like, and leave a comment below with your thoughts or any tech woes you've encountered. Thanks for watching, and until next time,